All right, so today we're looking at new products, not necessarily new products, but products for a new floor that we're going to be doing. And here I'm just walking through the aisles and trying to get some ideas for the client. Better to bring the client. It's way better to bring the client, but without the client here, this is the best that I can do. Take pictures, take a lot of video, get a feel for the product, actually run your hand over the product, see if you like the texture and how you think the customer's gonna like that in their home, under their feet rather, you know? This right here is probably too smooth. This is, no, just too smooth. In my experience, the clients, they usually like something with a bit of texture. Ooh, something like this. You can see the grooves and all that, at least the separation, but it does have some character. You can actually feel the grain of the wood, well, the fake wood. You can feel the grains of it. It brings out the character, especially when you're walking on it with your bare feet. These two would be my go-to, depending on what I'm doing with the living room or with anywhere that this product is going. I definitely be looking at something with some texture. It's waterproof. That's even a plus. This, to me, seems like it'd be a little more scratch prone, but you never know. You never know until it's in there and you have some sort of protection on top of it. That looks like very visually appealing. Looks very visually appealing. This is more finger friendly. You can feel the texture with these two. This, it just looks visually appealing, but fairly smooth. All right, let's keep walking down these aisles and see what pops out. I think something lighter. Ooh, that is awesome. I love that. But let's keep walking. Anything that's brighter like this would actually bring some more light to the room. If it's darker, serves its purpose. More like, your bars and stuff like that. You want to keep the light subdued. This living room brings a whole lot of pop into it, and you can actually play with the colors some more. This seems more traditional. All right, pick another aisle.